Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate improving credit before investing with Credit Karma, beginner guide step by step clearly. To activate and improve your credit score before investing with Credit Karma, start by creating an account on the Credit Karma website or app. Visit the Credit Karma homepage. Click on the Sign Up button to create a new account. Fill in the required personal information, including your email address and a secure password. Verify your email address through the confirmation link sent to your inbox. Once logged in, provide additional details like your social security number, date of birth, and address for identification purposes. Next, review your credit report and score, which Credit Karma provides for free. Pay attention to the factors affecting your score, such as payment history, credit utilization, and account age. Identify any negative items on your credit report, such as late payments or collections. Consider disputing any inaccuracies with the credit bureaus to potentially improve your score. Explore Credit Karma's recommendations tailored to your financial situation. Use tools like the Credit Score Simulator to see how different actions impact your score. Set up alerts for any changes to your credit report to monitor your progress. Consider credit card options suggested by Credit Karma to build credit responsibly. If you already have accounts, ensure they are in good standing by making timely payments. Keep your credit utilization below 30% to help improve your score over time. Regularly check your progress on the Credit Karma dashboard. With improved credit, you will be better positioned for successful investments. Stay informed about credit management and continue to leverage Credit Karma's resources. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.